everybody, I'm looking rough, but welcome to another episode of Through the Fire. My son has already gone inside and gone through the house, and he's like, yeah, they did some more stuff. So let's go inside to see what's going on. Let's see what's been updated. And yeah, come on, let's go. Let's get out this car. Look, we are completely painted. So nice. All right. Okay, don't look like too much was done through here. Nothing was done in the laundry room. Y'all are already aware that the bathroom is done. So I did complain about the closet doors. I did not like the closet doors. They changed it to this one. This one is a little better, but I told him there were specific ones that I kind of wanted, or the specific style that I kind of wanted. So he said that they were on back order and they should be in on Wednesday. Today is Monday. They should be in on Wednesday. So they'll probably change those ones out. So yeah, that's why those closet doors are different. I was like, man, I tried not to make a fuss about it, but for me, it's like, why not have them do what I want them to do? Why keep something that I'm not interested in? So I was just like, nah, you gotta change that. So let's keep going. We changed them all out, which is great. But I don't know why they took the... Oh, they painted it. Okay. I love your paint colors, bro. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to figure out why that's like that. Not too much has been done in here. They ain't even paint yet in here. So alright, you guys, well, that is the tour. Those are the updates. Small updates, but updates are updates. So we will see you guys in the next video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.